let's make some French onion soup. So I started out with some onions. It's always a good place to start. I cut them in half, peeled them, and then I chopped them up. You can chop them up how you want to chop them up. That's how I chopped them up. And I did 4 onions, like that. And chopped them all up. Then I added some olive oil to my pan. I used the slow cooker. And boy, did I cook them slow. It took 12 hours. You might want a little bit more heat than I put on there. Do it a little bit quicker. But, I mean, at least I didn't have to watch it too much. Just put it in there and let it go. Just let it go. I added a little bit of salt there to my onions. And like that. And then I let it go until it looked like this. And that's a handful of flour I put in there. And you'll have to forgive the video because it kind of vibrates to the back of the stove. But you can still sort of see what I'm doing. So I'll mix that flour up, and it's pretty hot in there. And let that cook a little bit. And I added some cooking wine, about a 1/4 cup. And deglazed my pan there. And added some water. I ended up adding 4 cups of water and some beef broth. Well, not the beef broth, but the the powdered stuff. And it's just easier to keep that stuff. And put about 8 teaspoons in there. And 4 cups of water, so that made a lot of beef broth. And then I added a little sachet of spices. I don't know if I videoed that or not, but made a little packet of thyme and bay leaves and tied it up and threw it in there. And let that cook a while I was doing other things, like slicing bread. That's a loaf of my sourdough bread that I made. I sliced up, buttered up, and then I added some cheese to it. And I toasted that in my little toaster oven after I got it all put on my bread there. Something like that. And that's Gruyère cheese. And I'm going to get it all bubbly. And put your ladle full of soup in your bowl. And stick your bread in it. And then go rummage around for a spoon. And put a spoon in it. And then eat it. And I liked it. Even my dad ate a whole bowl of it. He might not have liked it as much as I did, but he ate it.